Resilience is a technology-focused biomanufacturing company transforming the way complex therapeutics are made. We've seen that the technology of manufacturing novel medicines hasn't kept pace with the wave of scientific discoveries fueling them. In response, Resilience continues to dedicate itself to protecting biopharmaceutical supply chains against disruption and broadening patient access to vital therapies.
When selecting a downstream processing partner, we look for specific criteria. Compliance with quality and safety regulations first and foremost, and our supplier's reputation in these areas is very important. As our manufacturing strategies evolve, we also need our supply chain partners to adapt and innovate with us. Ecolab has been a partner to Resilience since 2021, supplying us with its innovative resin toolbox for monoclonal antibody purification and continuous product supply. Of a new scale-up manufacturing line, the original intent was to use traditional capture and polishing resins. However, due to long lead times for those resins, Resilience needed to evaluate other vendors. Ecolab offered quick lead times at the GMP scale and had samples sent within days of our initial conversations to compare against the traditional resins at the PD scale.
At Ecolab, our mission is to provide cutting-edge purification technologies to the global biopharmaceutical industry, enabling our customers to produce high-quality treatments. Through a combination of innovative R&D, manufacturing excellence, supply chain security, and expert technical support, we are fully focused on supporting biopharmaceutical manufacturers like Resilience to optimize their downstream purification processes for antibodies and recombinant proteins.
These resins we selected from the Ecolab MAB toolbox included both Praesto Jetted A50 affinity and SP and Q ion exchange resins, which performed from a yield and product quality standpoint to other resins, with the added advantage of immediate availability. They were an easy swap out for the traditional resins and required minimal process reoptimization. Consistency goes hand in hand with quality performance, and we found that Ecolab's jetting technology for resin production helps ensure uniform particle distribution within batches of resin, resulting in greater lot-to-lot consistency. To experience high yield and productivity for Resilience means improved operations and supports a faster route to market for our customers. We believe better quality equates to more consistency and fewer delays to drug product release, thereby getting medicines to the patients who need them faster.
A robust supply chain where materials are readily available without single points of failure means that innovative medicines can move through the development cycle quickly and ultimately get to the patients faster.
Through long-term supply agreements with partners and industry leaders, we're able to ensure a pipeline of innovative and practical purification technologies to solve current and emerging challenges in downstream purification.
Ecolab's technical team is proactive in listening to our current development challenges and, as a result, is proactive in reaching out about improvements or new products that could help our active and upcoming development needs. Ecolab met our requirements for lead time, security of supply, product performance, and cost efficiencies. These factors, combined with Ecolab's personal and responsive approach and expertise, is what has led to our successful partnership.
We believe that the best relationships grow from the smallest interactions. From transitioning from process development through to commercial scale, we are a partner for the long term. As a Fortune 500 company, Ecolab continues to improve global security of supply for our customers through increased capacity, more manufacturing sites, and reduced lead times. We are committed to supporting customers like Resilience to improve access to complex therapeutics and ultimately support better patient outcomes.
We seek partnerships that will help us advance and benefit the industry by working with companies such as Ecolab. We have the confidence and reassurance of a trusted partner that is able to grow with us as we support our customers with high-quality products.